How to deactivate Instagram account. Deactivating your Instagram account is a temporary measure that hides your profile, posts, comments, and likes. You can reactivate it anytime you want. Here's how to do it on the Instagram mobile app. To deactivate your Instagram account, start by navigating to your profile. This can be done by tapping your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, access the Settings menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then selecting Settings and Privacy. From there, proceed to Accounts Center and tap on Personal Details, followed by Account Ownership and Control. Here, you will find the option for deactivation or deletion. If you manage multiple accounts, you'll need to select the specific account you wish to deactivate. Next, opt for Deactivate Account and continue by entering your Instagram password when prompted to confirm your identity. Although optional, you may choose a reason for your deactivation at this stage. Following this, you'll have the option to opt out of receiving emails that encourage you to return to Instagram. To finalize the deactivation process, simply select Deactivate Account. Instagram limits deactivation to once per week, offering a temporary solution for users needing a break without permanently deleting their account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.